Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can easily change DNS server in Windows 11 in any PC. It is very easy to change DNS server in any PC in which you have Windows 11. You have to right click on Windows icon shown in the taskbar. Then you have to click on the settings option. After clicking on the setting option, a setting window will appear to you. Then you will be able to see on the left side network and internet option below the Bluetooth and devices option. You have to click on network and internet option. After clicking on it, you will be able to see on the right side Wi-Fi option. Below this you will see Ethernet option. You have to click on the Ethernet option. After clicking on it, you will be able to see DNS server assignment option. On the right side you have to click on edit. Then you have to change the setting from automatic to manual. Now I will show you by changing IPv4 setting. You have to enable this IPv4. Then on the preferred DNS column you have to write the preferred DNS code, or then you have to type the alternate DNS code. I took this code from Google. You can took DNS code as per your choice, or you can also take the same DNS code from Google. After writing the code, then you have to save it. After saving it, now you can see IPv4 DNS server is changed. By this process, you can also change the DNS server in your PC. I hope your problem is solved and now you are able to change the DNS server. Thanks for watching the video.